Welcome to class. I'm so glad you joined us. So before we get started, I want to share a little bit how this class is going to roll. I'll be referring to the written pattern for the square throughout the class. You'll be able to find the printable download of the PDF for this square under the Project and Resource tab. I'll be using a worsted weight yarn for this class, which is also referred to as a number 4 medium weight on a yarn label. You can play around with trying different yarn weight and hook sizes, as there's no need for gauge when making coasters or blankets. It's just a guide to get similar results to mine. In this class, my square comes out to 4.5 inches. Thicker yarns will give you a heavy fabric and a larger square, and thinner yarn weights will give you a looser, lighter fabric and smaller squares. Play around with it and see what you like to work with. Yarn care is a consideration when making items to give away. Simple is always better, so the easier it is to look after, that's what you're looking for. So you'll want to pay attention to the care instructions on the yarn label. Making blankets to give to a charity, they often have guidelines as to fiber content due to possible sensitivities, and they want to be able to wash the items easily. So have fun with color. You can make these squares in as many or as few colors as you'd like. There's no hard and fast rules, just lots of room to play. So we're going to tap into our creativity and create a handmade item infused with love and care, and we're going to use it to brighten someone's day. Now let's talk about the supplies I'll be using. I'll see you in the next lesson.